Good morning. Today is a special day.
We are going to the aquarium.
I am very excited. I want to see sharks.
I have a secret to tell you.
What is it?
I will tell you in the car.
Hey, my friend went to the aquarium yesterday. What did he say? He said he saw a real mermaid. No.
You know?
My friend told me, David. She saw a mermaid. So, I brought my flute. Why? Maybe if I play, she will come. Really? You think it will work? Yes, I believe.
Let's try.
Yes. It is so big. Let's find the mermaid. Look at the colors. They are beautiful. So cute. They are funny.
Yes, very funny.
Look at these beautiful fish.
They are so colorful. I like this place.
Stay close to us. It will get darker now. Stay close to us.
Wow, so big. It is darker.
It is okay. We are here.
I hear something.
We are just looking.
It is okay, children.
They look like magic.
Jess, now is the time.
Let's go. The guard is not looking.
It is very dark.
It is okay. I am here.
It is very dark here. I think we are not supposed to be here. Ben, look! You do not enter. We should go back. What if the mermaid is there? This is our secret. Just a quick look. Okay. It is so big.
Play the flute. Please, come. I believe in you.
Look, the water is moving.
Something is coming.
Nothing is happening. Try again.
I will try again.
Please. I believe in you.
She is real. I see her. It looks like a mermaid. She is very far. She is moving.
It is like a dream.
She is beautiful.
Are you a mermaid?
I was scared.
Do not be afraid.
I heard your music. You believed in me.
Yes, I believe.
She is calling me.
Wow, she is! Can you feel it?
Where are the kids?
They were here.
Ben! Jess!
Answer us!
What is that?
A gift.
I think it is for us.
It feels special.
It is beautiful.
You must protect the ocean. We will.
Ben! Jess!
Where are they?
You must go now.
No, wait!
I cannot see her now. She is gone.
Pearl is still shining.
We must keep it safe.
Let's go back!
Yes, let's go!
Ben! Jess! Please answer us!
Ben, Jess, where are you?
Please, someone!
I want to find Mom and Dad.
They are looking for us.
Ben! Jess!
Please answer us!
I hear Mom. Yes, I hear them too.
Grace, do you see them?
Not yet. Jess, Ben?
They are close.
Let's keep looking.
I hear Mom. Yes, I hear them too. Where are you?
We're looking for you.
Mommy, over here. There they are.
Ben, Jess!
Mom, Dad!
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, sweetie, I'm so happy to see you.
Buddy, come here.
I love the fish. The shark is so cool.
We'll see them all together.
As a family.
We were so worried.
You must stay close to us.
I am sorry.
We wanted to explore.
It's okay, sweetie.
Just be careful next time.
Look, we found this. It is beautiful.
It looks very special.
It's magical.
It came from the water.
It's so pretty. She was there.
Maybe it was something magical.
A real mermaid? Wow.
It's a special trick of the light. We stay together.
Yes, together. Look, pretty fish. They are beautiful.
The light is still here.
It will remind us.
The ocean is beautiful.
We must protect it.
Wow, look at all the fish. The jellyfish are so pretty.
We will take care of the ocean.
Yes, we promise. It was a special day.
A very special day. I love the fish. The sunset is so pretty. I will never forget this. Me too.
This is our special memory.
We'll always have this. Forever.
The ocean needs our help.
Keep it clean.
Wow, so many fish. They're so pretty.
Do you believe in mermaids?
Or was it a secret?
Learn English with us.
Subscribe for more magic stories.
See you the next episode. Bye!